Hi, my name is Sinmoy I just completed my master's with IGNU, and this is the time when I was engaged with Brain Behavior Research Foundation of India for about a month to do my online internship. I must say they have an excellent team out there who kind of guide you with getting familiarizing with the assessment, therapy, technical tools and knowledge that would require to become a psychologist in the future. The great part about this institution is they have taken a lot of pain to give you a very holistic understanding of what really happens in the real world. The second aspect that I've noticed is even the seniors, say for instance, Dr. Meena Mishra, who is the chairman of the institution, she participate in those interactions online. So we had the opportunity of engaging with her. Plus, they also have people who are very senior. So, for example, there is a very senior faculty member from Chandigarh who have done extraordinary work in intelligence, and it's known across India. So you get to hear it directly from these people. And there are a lot of other things that you will gradually understand when you do internship in other places, that there isn't a lot of things which are kind of taught to you that meticulously that these people would do. So for instance, genogram is one tool that I later figured is used very actively by practitioners, and that is something that Subodh, another great guy from the team, took immense pain to educate us, kind of get familiar with the concept. And the kind of format they have for the internship is very pragmatic, without putting too much pressure on individuals, yet ensuring that it eventually leads to a lot of learning in the process. So, all the best to the team at BBRFI and anybody who is considering an internship or any other program with them. My best to all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.